What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to do a video answering a viewer's question. His name is Xavier, and he's having problems with his 4x4 on his Chevy Silverado. It is basically the same thing as my Avalanche, so we're just going to get right into it. So basically he is saying that whenever he hits his 4x4 switch, it doesn't go into the gear that he selects, like the drive that he selects. So you know, you have auto 4-wheel, you have 2-wheel, you have 4 high, 4 low. Usually I keep mine in 2-wheel because that's how I like to drive it. You have auto, which it senses when it might need it. You have 4 high and 4 low, but he says whenever he clicks anything else, it just flashes and then goes back to 2. So it could be, as far as I know, one of 4 things or 3 things. 1, it could be a bad switch. 2, it could be encoder motor. 3, it could be the front diff actuator. Or 4, it can be the ground wires on the under the driver's chassis. Now, obviously, with me, I like doing the free things and the cheaper things first. So the first thing I do is actually go under the driver's chassis, and I'm going to show you exactly where, oh God, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to blind y'all. I'm going to show you exactly where you can find this. So right underneath the driver's chassis, I'm going to turn it right over her. Right over here, you can see right here, there are 2 holes. So on those 2 holes, that is basically where my ground wires used to be until I actually changed them and I routed them up to my engine bay. Reason being was they were always getting corroded from the salt, from the snow, a lot of winters in Jersey. They were just having a lot of corrosion on it, and it caused problems with my diff and stuff for going into 4-wheel, 4 high, 4 low, whatever. So I routed that up to the engine bay, obviously cut the wires, got rid of the corrosion, routed it all the way up, and I haven't had a problem since. So my recommendation to you is remove the 2 ground wires. One is actually help start the vehicle, and the other one's for the 4x4. Remove the 2 ground wires, clean the corrosion off, clean the rust off the chassis, put them back on, and see if that works. If it works, you just figured out your problem. My recommendation, reroute it to the engine bay. You wouldn't have that issue again. If that doesn't work, next thing I would do is go to the switch. I'm not sure if I made a video on how to check the switch, but there are videos online on checking the switch. You just remove the switch, and I think I forgot how you do it. I think you ohm it out or something. Something like that. You get a multimeter, you check it. If it reads a certain range, your switch is good. On YouTube, there is a video on it. I'll try to leave the link in this description here for you guys. There's also ways to check the front diff actuator as well as the encoder motor. So I'll try to find those videos and put it in for you guys. I'll also leave the link in the description of the videos of me changing out my encoder motor, routing up my ground wires. I think I did one checking the switch and checking the front diff. I'll try to find every 4x4 video I have of this and put it up for you. But that's basically what I have to say on this, X. So I'm hoping this somewhat helped you. If I forgot something or I'm missing something, you know, one of you guys leave it in the comment section below. That would be awesome. And yeah, if you guys have something more to add, leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from y'all. And if not, make sure you like this video. And also, if you're not a subscriber, please make sure to consider subscribing, because I make videos every single day for y'all. And with that being said, peace out.